There's no better way to end your wedding night than with a little sparkle in the air. A sparkler exit creates a magical moment. Your guests cheering, the night glowing, and the two of you hand in hand through a tunnel of light. It's picture perfect and unforgettable. And if you want to take the celebration even higher, cue the fireworks. A custom fireworks show lights up the sky, reflecting the joy and excitement of your day. From subtle sparkles to grand finales, it's the ultimate wow moment to close out your celebration.